Scripture reading from Hebrew 11, 1 to 6. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen.
For by it the rulers obtain a good report.
Through faith we understand that the worlds were framed by words of God, so that things which are seen were not made of things which do appear.
By faith Abel offered unto God a more excellent sacrifice than Cain, by which he obtained witness that he was righteous, God testified of his gift, and by it he being dead, yet speaketh.
By faith Enoch was translated that he should not see death, and was not found, because God has translated him. For before his translation he had this testimony that he pleased God.
But without faith it is impossible to please him. For he that cometh to God must believe that he is, and that he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him.
The word of the Lord.
Thanks.